Hello everyone. So in today's tutorial I'll tell you how to actually write a TAT story. After my 3 videos on this TAT tutorial, you must have understood that what all you have to do. So now I'll show you a picture and then I will discuss a story which has been written by a recommended candidate. So here is the picture. You can see that in the given picture, what is the background? In the background is that of a inside the house. Which room? It appears to be a drawing room. And these four characters are there, one male, one female, and two girls, children, small children. And the male and female are appearing to be sitting on a sofa. And there is a center table in front of them where some eatables are kept and they are together having those eatables. So this is the picture, as I told you, that this is what we have perceived and this is the first thought or idea on seeing the picture that has come to our mind. Now there are four characters. Okay, we are coming to their dress. They are sort of semi-formally dressed inside the house and appearing to be going outside. So they are not casually dressed, they are not in kurta pajama, they are not in night suit or something. They are in the like going out dress, and before that they are having their something to eat. So after dress, let us consider the age of the characters. The male character is appearing to be of around, let us say, 30 plus age. Now how we will calculate the age? Number one, first is the looks of the person. Secondly, since he is married, then normally we can understand that the marriage of a male is normally solemnized after 25 years of age, around 25 to 30. It can vary also, but I am talking in general terms. So let us say at the age of 25, 28, he is married. So the girl child, elder one, is appearing to be of 6 years of age. So it means after marriage, 6 years and 1 year of pregnancy, 7 years. So if he is married at an average age of 28, now the age should be around 35. So this is how we should calculate the age. Sometimes what you do in a hurry, that you tell the relationship of father and son and the age difference between them is just 15 years. So where you are putting father or son or mother or son or mother or daughter, then you have to see that as per the society norms, uh, generally between father and son about 25 years, and between mother and son or mother and daughter it can be around 20 to 25 years of age difference. So make sure that you do, although the age is approximate and we don't have to write the age here, but once the clear picture of age is there in your mind, that what is the age, then your story will go in a proper manner. So generally, again, there are no strict rules about that. Generally, we are talking, we are assuming, and approximately we are understanding. When the man is of 35 years of age, then the female as such is appearing around that age only. So maybe 30, 32, 34, whatever it is. And the elder daughter's age, I have told, it is around 6 years. And the younger one, maybe around 2 years younger to her. So around 4 years. So this much we have first analyzed and understood. Now the relationship between these characters we have to decide before starting to write the story. So obviously inside the drawing room, the way they are sitting, the one child is sitting in the lap of the mother and the other child is sitting very close to the father. So the relationship will be that of husband and wife amongst them, and with the children that will be of parents, father and mother. So now this much we have understood. We have to now decide what led to this situation. So let us see that who is the hero. So for male characters, the hero will be obviously male because both are equally smart and forward looking, appearing to be very active. So a female character can choose the female as the hero and the male character can choose the male as the hero. Now the profession of or occupation of the hero. So that you have to decide, and it will be related to your story, what story you are going to write. So now when I read out this story, I'll tell you what he has thought. You can think in similar way or you can even think in a different way also. So now this much we have understood his occupation and his experience in life and all that we can write in the introduction and what led to his situation. Now next stage comes what is going on now that we have to clearly mention. So this is a family get together, you can say that they are sitting and having something to eat. Okay, then now we have to identify what the hero will do. What is the need or what action the hero will take, that we have to decide. Okay, and then he achieves that goal, is satisfied, and then that is the end of the story. So now I'll show you the story that he has written. It's there in front of you. John was a young and cheerful army officer. So we need not mention the age of the hero here. He is only young and cheerful. He is appearing to be quite enthusiastic, joshila and cheerful. So that what we have understood from the picture we have mentioned here. And mixed well with everyone. So he is mixing well with his family and he mixes well with others also. So this is just an introduction that who is the hero and what type of person he is that we have mentioned. He had a happy and supportive family and they shared great bonding. So something about what he thinks about his family and what the family thinks about him, that also you can mention. And that's what he has mentioned, that he had a happy and supportive family and they shared great bonding, which is very clear from the picture. After doing many successful operations, he came on leave. So if he is an army officer, what is he doing now? So that he has clarified that after doing many successful operations, he has come on leave. So successful person he is. His family felt very happy seeing him. That's obvious, visible. He spent quality time with the family and prepared food together with his wife and girl kids and they enjoyed it together. So what is going on now is very nicely, beautifully covered. The food items are kept. So he has contributed, the hero is active. Even though he is an army officer, he has come on leave. So he enjoyed cooking food with his wife, and the girls, kids were also involved. They also enjoyed little small jobs, whatever they can do, pick up the spoon or do this or do that. So it was a teamwork. They enjoyed it together. They uh, visited tourist places of the city. As I told you that they are appearing to be ready to leave for some place. तो वो भी एक्शन हमने पूरा इसमें कवर कर लिया इसने. They visited tourist places of the city, had picnic and created cherishable memories. बिल्कुल नीट एंड क्लीन आ गया. They together discussed and planned their future endeavors. अब क्या होता है कि it is always it happens that when when the hero or the army officer is coming home and all that, the family is alone. So they discuss about the family issues also, regarding the future of children, regarding their education and extracurricular activities, and if wife is having any issue, any problem, or some construction or some maintenance work or something, so all those tasks are also discussed. It is not only that you come and do enjoyment and spend time with children and go back. So this shows his sense of responsibility. They together discussed and planned their future endeavors, what he is doing, what he has to do, and about his posting and all that. You cannot talk about defense secrets and all that, but general whatever he can talk, he talked, discussed, and about his wife's future. It appears that she is a working lady and may be working from home. So how is her job going on, and about her promotion and difficulties and all that. So they discussed everything. He appreciated his wife for splendid home management. Now he is thankful that during my absence, you are taking so much of workload, doing your office job, and still taking care of the kids and family. Uh, Very good. Thank you. Thank you so much for managing everything alone. So he appreciated his wife for splendid home management, and he appreciated kids for their obedient nature and great academic and sports performance. So जब बात हुई तो he came to know that children are also doing very well in academics, and in games and sports also they are taking part, in other activities they are taking part. So he encouraged the children and praised them. Very good. So he is finding goodness. He is not looking for problems. He is looking for something good to mention, to appreciate, to praise people. So this is important. So story खत्म हो गई. After spending his leave, he came back happily and continued to serve the country with pride. Everyone was happy and satisfied. बड़ी सिंपल सी स्टोरी है. अब आई हैव टोल्ड यू स्टेप वाइज कि कैसे करना है. नाउ हियर हिज there is not some big job everywhere that you have to do. It's a homely picture where he is sitting with his family, small kids and all that. तो अब ऑपरेशंस बता दिए पहले कि ही हैज़ डन मैनी ऑपरेशंस एंड नाउ ही हैज़ कम बैक ऑन लीव. और अगर आपको लगता है कि ये यहाँ से जाके ऑपरेशंस करेगा तो आप वो भी बता सकते हो. तो हाउ यू प्रेजेंट एंड हाउ यू क्रिएट ए स्टोरी इन योर माइंड. After that, you should start writing. First, create the story in your mind. And now you see there is not a single negative word in the whole story. So this also you have to see that when you are writing, avoid any negative references. Okay, the children complained, the wife complained. तो ये सारी नेगेटिव वर्ड्स आप हटा दीजिए. सारा कुछ है, इसने कुछ भी नहीं नेगेटिव वर्ड डाला है. दैट्स वाई इट्स ए गुड स्टोरी. एंड I okayed. I said this is a good story. You can go. Although certainly variations can be there. अभी many people say कि सर इसमें हम ऐसा बना, तो अलग अलग different people are making different stories. This is his story, and as an assessor I am assessing and explaining it to you how he has written. You can use your own method, but the procedure is same, that you have to go in this order. That first you have to see what is the background, what is going on now. You have to make a mention of that. then you have to talk good about others, don't find faults and all that. And whatever task is there, you do here. The task is to take children out and inquire about their studies and all that, and that was all good. And then obviously you thank people who have contributed to that achievement. So that is mainly the wife, and the children need to be encouraged, so he has encouraged. So it's all about a family, this thing, very simple and nice picture, and very nicely covered. Thank you. I'll continue with another story next time. Till that time, see you and take care. Bye.